My name is Dale Stephanos. I've been a professional illustrator since 1986. I started as a cartoonist and slowly morphed into being an illustrator, and I worked with all sorts of editorial clients like Rolling Stone, Newsweek, Sports Illustrated, Mad Magazine. I didn't go to college, so I stuffed as many books into my head as possible. Believe it or not, and I can't believe it, I have actually read every single one of these. It's my very small bragging section over there. The only real technology I have in here is my computer and the Cintiq, since that's what I use for the editorial jobs. But other than that, I have increasingly liked to surround myself with things that have survived other people's lives and things that are solid and are useful and can be used again, because I think I'm increasingly feeling that way myself, and I like that. These were pieces I did when I agreed to have a solo show back in 2014. These are big portraits of my family that I started when the lockdown, or whatever it is we're calling it. I collect art from my friends, my illustrator friends, and this is some of it. I've got a ton more, but this is John Cuneo up here. This is a couple of Drew Friedman's, Bob Stack. This is something I did when I was probably, I don't know, 6, and this is something my babysitter at the time did. Her name was Marilee, and we'd go to the beach and draw and paint, and she was probably responsible for this entire way of life for me.